Good evening, ma'am.
A very good evening, Eklavya. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Okay, so how is going your study?
Ma'am, study is going fine.
Okay, so which chapter you explain in class today?
Ma'am, in class we talk about the concentration of solution, which is of three types: mass by volume by volume, and mass by volume, and mass by mass. These are the three types of ways we can measure a solution. But right now we are doing about chemistry, about the different elements and types of elements and what roles they play.
Okay,
So today we are basically going to talk about this, and we are going to talk about how the alibis of certain elements and how the laws of certain elements, and we're basically going to talk about how atoms behave inside elements and compounds.
okay. What is the compound?
A compound is basically a type of pure substance that is found in a single ratio and is formed by two or more elements.
Okay. Eklavya, tell me that nitrogen in water is commonly found in the form of
Nitrate.
what is this? Explain this.
Nitrate is basically the type. It's kind of like,
Nitrate is a gas or poison.
no. Nitrate is when nitrate is basically nitrogen, but when it reacts with certain elements, which then changes its property a little.
Okay. Which of the following element is connected from the sea wall?
Now, iodine. Iodine is found in the sea wall and also in the seabed. They are like formed like this, little shell-like structures, which are made up of like iodine. They are basically made up of hard iodine.
Which one of the following is found in vinegar? What is vinegar? Do you
Vinegar
know?
is basically the stuff we use in our kitchens. We use it for cooking purposes, and acetic acid is found in vinegar.
Okay. So which one is following found in vinegar?
Acetic acid.
What is acetic acid?
It's acid which with a pH level of like 5 or 4, and it's basically found in vinegar, and it like changes the taste of the food.
The terms the brown air is used for.
Photochemical smog, which is this is basically like fog, but like with chemicals mixed in it, and it is very dangerous.
Most commonly used the bleaching agents is.
Chlorine. Chlorine is very good for disinfecting, and it's all mostly used in disinfecting pools or water, etc.
Iodine poisons corpse deaths in second because of.
Cardiac arrest. Cyanide is cyanide. Mostly, you are saying it wrong. Cyanide is basically used in like it goes in our hearts. It goes in our hearts, and then it